Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I put this gift together. It's actually a bunch of nail stuff, so it's perfect for beginners or just lovers of all things nails, DIY, at home, salon. This is exactly what's in this gift, and I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm going to be sharing all of the products and links in the description down below. If you have any questions, please let me know. And without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to select a really cute bag, and this is the one that I got. Of course, everything is from Amazon, so if you guys are interested, the links to everything will be in the description below. But there's tons of other options to choose from. Here's a tan one, a white one, a blue one, and they all say different things. Here are some pink ones, some more tan ones, super cute options. It just depends on your style. They have some brighter colors like purple and green and what have you. Again, everything will be linked down below if you guys are interested. So start with a cute bag. All right, now into the bag is going to be these little nails. I got these nails for my sister because she works at a hospital and she has to keep her nails really, really short. So I thought these would be perfect. I've used these on my channel, I believe, recently, so I'll put the link to that video below. I do use longer tips, but again, these are just because my sister works at a hospital. These are my favorite nail tips at the moment. They're from BT Art Box. I'm not sponsored. I bought these myself. I also got myself a set just to see how small they really are. I have really large nail beds compared to my sister, so I thought these would be a great product for her to use. So I'm gonna put these in here as well. They fit perfectly too. Next would have to be my favorite nail glue. I got two, one for me and one for her, and it's the Kiss Power Flex Max Speed. Don't get anything else. This is the best. If you were going to do a Gel X situation, I'll put my recommendations for the best nail gel in the video description, but for now I've been really loving the method of just gluing them on. So like essentially like press on nails. It's so much faster, but you're still gonna get that really cute salon look. So my favorite nail glue. Now, of course, she's going to need some nail files and some buffing blocks. These are my favorite as well. They're super affordable. I believe they're under $10 for all of the pieces that you see here. These are the best. Those fit perfectly. Next will have to be this e.l.f. brush. You guys have seen this for years. It's the same brush that I keep using over and over and over again. If I lose it, it's a tragedy in this house because it's my favorite way to clean up my nails. I also do French tip with these brushes as well. Only $2, so that's a steal. I'm gonna include that as well. I'm gonna include that brush. I also got her these cuticle cutters. You also need these tools for giving yourself a really good manicure. Here we go. It's a nice little set. And I'm gonna put that in there as well. Next, I'm going to be adding a couple of these dental bibs. And I know it sounds weird, but these are my favorite way to protect my countertops. Or I even use like dinner trays when I'm doing my nails on the couch or on my bed. You put these down and even the acetone won't come through and damage the surface that you're working on. So I'm gonna add a few of these because she's got some daughters at her house, my beautiful nieces, that she always does their nails. So make sure I add a good helping of those. Put these in here. There we go. I'm going to do the same with these alcohol prep pads. Now when you're working with gel nails, you're gonna want to use these alcohol pads. Now if this is too much waste for you, I'm also gonna be including one of these pump bottles. You just take your little cotton swab or balls and you just pat it on the top and then it disperses the liquid. So let's open this up. These are individually wrapped. Now if you don't like this method, you can definitely just use cotton swabs, cotton balls, but I love these as well. So anytime that you put the liquid in there, whether that be acetone or it's acetone, which is nail polish remover. It's really strong. It's professional grade, and it's the best way to take off your false nails, your gel polish, anything like that. That's typically what I would put in these bottles. You can also do alcohol, like these alcohol wipes, and then just use like a rag or tissue, cotton balls, whatever you prefer, and just pump it out. And these are great to store inside your little bags like this, but I'm gonna put these alcohol prep pads here in the corner. You can't do your nails without color and of course a lamp. So this is the lamp I got her. I'm hoping I don't rip it because I want to show you guys what it looks like. There we go. The lamp looks like. This is going to be perfect for your Gel X style nails or just doing your gel manicure. A few fingers fit at a time, but I usually just do like 1 or 2 fingers at a time. But there's so much space in this one. This is actually really nice. Girl, kind of thinking I should get myself one of these too. But yeah, that's what it looks like when you turn it on. The great thing about this one, okay, it's actually counting down. I don't know if you guys can see the countdown. It's strobing for you. I don't know why, but it's not for me. It's like clear as day. It's counting down for you, which is not like anything else I've seen. And this was super affordable. So again, everything will be down below. It does come with a charging cable. The next is going to be the set of base coat, top coat, and cuticle oil. Let me show you guys what this looks like. Again, I'm trying not to damage packaging. Here we go. There's the cuticle oil. Nice. And then we have the top coat and also the base coat. These are actually really nice sizes considering that this is a set. Usually when you get a set of something, they are the small mini travel or like tester size, but that's really nice. Again, I should have ordered 2 of everything because you know how that goes. You want everything that your sister has, even though I'm buying it for her. I'm like, ugh, I want this now. I got her the upgrade of all the stuff that I have. All my stuff, you're gonna see. It looks like, I don't know, I got it from the trash. So I'm so happy that, I hope she likes this. Put this in here as well. Here we go. And the last item that's going to go into this bag will have to be this nail polish set. I got a second one because I was curious to see how these looked. And let me open that for you guys. These are like hot, like colors, perfect for summertime. Look at that pretty orange. There's a neon yellow in here, neon green, hot orange. What? Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that red is. And that blue. Okay. I'm gonna start with a box big enough to hold like the largest item to ensure that everything is going to fit. Now before I start piling in my products, I'm going to line the inside using a piece of tissue, and this is the tissue I'm going to use. So in order to get it to fit into the box, I'm going to have to fold it a few times. So let's see. I don't want to lose the scalloping, so I'm going to have to fold it in the middle like this. Okay, make sure that it fits. Maybe a little bit more. Let's do a second. Like that. After you fold it, it should look something like this when you go to close up the box. See how pretty that's gonna look? And then I closed it up and it looks something like this. Everything else that did not fit in this box, because it's not very deep, is going to go into the bag, and I'm going to secure it onto the top of this box. But before I did that, I wanted to show you guys the little stickers that I'm going to be putting on top here. It says, "Don't be afraid of change, self-love club, you're doing great, and believe in yourself." And instead of using it to stick on here to close it, I was thinking about that, but I was like, I don't want to waste the sticker. That way she can put it on her phone, on her mirror, wherever she wants, or maybe even hand it out to somebody at the hospital. Here we go. I'm gonna close this up. Here's the rest of the items. Let's see, I'm gonna have to do something like this, and then I'm gonna sneak this light in the corner of her bag. And for the finishing touch, I'm going to use a couple of different size and finish ribbons. So you can see one's a little bit on the shiny side and this one's a little bit on the texture side. Go underneath like this. Pretty loose because I don't want my sister to have trouble getting her gift open. Just like this. And if you need to trim, you can trim them down if they're too long. And this is the final product and how I will be presenting it to my sister on our birthday. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!